Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a blog post grid inside swipepages. So basically swipepages is a new platform for creating landing pages and it provides super fast AMP landing pages. Also we can create multi-pages website using swipepages and everything here is built in. You can just drag and drop here, and if you want to learn more about swipepages then I already have a review video on this. So you can watch that video and you will learn that how we can get started with swipepages, how we can create a page, and then how we can customize that page. And that video link will be down in the description, so please watch that video before continuing this video. And in this particular video we're gonna create a blog post grid. And the reason I'm creating this video is because blog posts are not available yet in swipepages, but we're gonna create a custom layout which will act just like the blog posts. So without further ado, let me show you what exactly we're going to create in this video. So this is the blog post page that we're going to create in this video. As you can see, the header, logo, menu, and these are our blog posts. So this is the custom layout that I have created and I'll show you later in this video. If I click this, then this will take me to the single blog post page. I can go back, and if I click the read more button, then this will take me to the same page here. So this is our blog post page. So let's see how we can create this. So go to the swipepages dashboard and you will be redirected to the landing pages, and here you can create your pages. And now I already have some pages including the blog page, but I'll create a new page and we'll show you how we can do it step by step. So we'll create new page. I'll name this blog 2. And now here we will choose AMP page. Now if you want you can use any of the custom layout, but in this video I'm going to create that from scratch. So I'll start with a blank page. Here we will create a blank section. We will choose the single layout, and now we can start adding our elements. So go to modules and search for inner row. Now here we can choose any of these layouts. Now I want to shoot 2 blog posts in one row. If you want to shoot 3, then you can choose this one. You can choose 4 and so on. So let's pick the 2. And now I'll create one section here and one here. So click the plus icon. And the layout I showed you earlier in this video has an image, a title, and the content of the post. So we will choose an image here. Let's pick an image. So in this video I'm going to work on a live project for a client, and he demanded that he wants these blog posts inside the swipepages. So we will create these one by one. Now for this image I already have uploaded all these images to the swipepages. So let's pick an image. So to add an image, just click on this. Now if you don't have the images, then you can upload it here. I already have uploaded the images, so I'll choose this one. We'll click insert image. So this will be our blog post image. Now go back to modules and now drag a heading here. Now the font size is a little large as compared to this. So let's see what font they are using. So if I click this, then the font uses this one and the size is 20 pixel. Basically this is an extension that used for knowing about the font and the size, the weight and the color and so on. So I'll close this, exit this. Now for this we can choose H4 and that will work for us. Okay, so this will be the title of the post, and let's copy this. Now if you want to customize the text, then you can go to title typography. Here I can choose a font, and as you can notice here all the fonts are in capital. So we can use the transform property and make it uppercase. And now we will use this text. So let's copy this. And now we will add a text module. So go to modules drag a text here, and we'll paste their text. So we have created the basic layout. Now to give it a feel of the blog post, we can edit this section and we can change its background color so that it looks different from the blog post. So I'll choose something like E5, E5, E5. And we'll go back to the column. So if you want to edit the column, then you can go to the inner row and click on this eye icon. This is the layout. So this is the main column and this is the inner row. So if you open this, you will find two columns here, and we are going to edit the first one. So click on the three dots and click edit, and give this a background color of white. And now as you can see, it looks different from the background. Also we can give this a border radius. So go to advanced and go to border, and let's give this a border of 10 pixel. Now we just have to create a read more button. So you can go to the modules, and now you can drag and drop a button here, and now you can stylize this button. But if you notice here, this is just a text, so we will remove the button and go back to the text module, and I'll write read more. And now to make this a link, you can select the text and go to add link here. Here you can choose the styles. So I'll choose the style 1, and for now let's make this a blank link. If you want to stylize it more, then you can select the text and make it bold, underline, or something like that. Now let's link this image and the title and the read more button so that it follows the link of the blog post. So to add a link, just click on the image and you can give it an action and go to URL. Now here you will have to put the blog post URL. For now let's link this to google.com just to test this. And now let's link the read more button also. So select this, go to add link and write google.com for example. Now obviously we will put the blog link here, but this is just to show you how it works. Okay, so this is our basic layout. Now instead of creating everything from scratch again and again, we can duplicate this column. Now basically in swipe pages we cannot duplicate the columns, but we can duplicate the properties. So let's duplicate the image for now, and to duplicate this, just click on the image and click the duplicate here. Now drag the image here. Do the same for the title, and also for the text. Now the difference between these two columns is only the background color and the border radius. So if I click the inner column and press Ctrl Shift C, then this will copy the style of the column. Click the inner column here and we'll press Ctrl Shift V to paste the properties. Now this is the second blog post, so we will use this image and this title and so on. So to change the image, just click this, click on the image icon and pick this image. Now again we can duplicate this row, so just click on the row option here and duplicate this, and this will keep creating the blog posts. So let's save this and click preview. So as you can see, we have made our blog post grid. Now let's add a title here. So to do this, you can go to modules and grab a heading, and we'll call this blog posts. Now I can make this a little small. We'll align this to center. We will also add a divider. The width will be up to 20% and the color will be black. and we'll align this to center. And now let's create a single blog post page for the first one so that you learn how we can create a single blog page, and then you will be able to create for the rest of these. So I'll choose this one, and if I click this, then this is how it looks. So I'll create another page just like this, and we'll link it here to this post. So let's save our changes. And now let's go back to the dashboard. So I'll open this in new tab. And now we will create a new page for this single post. So let's copy the title. And I'll create a new page. Choose type, click AMP. Again, start with a blank page. Now add a section. We are creating this page and we will make a section and we'll put this image. Let's create a single layout. Edit the section, and instead of the color we will give this a background image. So add an image here, choose that one. Now we will create another section again with the single layout, and for creating this we can simply add an image, then the text and titles and so on. So let's add an image, go to modules, drag an image here, and we'll insert this. You can align this to center. Just copy the text and add a text modules and paste their text. Now you can make this heading, so go to typography, font size, and choose the font size like 22 or something. Also make it bold. Okay, so that is how you can add the text and images. Now you can add this image and the title again and again, but this will make our video very long, so let's save this for now. We will preview this page and we'll copy its link, and now we will link it here. So click on the image, and instead of google.com we will put that link. Also for the read more button, and we'll save the changes and refresh the preview. Now if I click this, then this will take me to that page. Let's customize this first section a little bit. We can align the background image to center and can increase the padding. For example, 250 to the top and 250 to the bottom, and save changes. And now that's look fine. And now let's add the menu here. So to add the menu, just go back to the page and go to the setting option, click on header and enable the header. Now we have a header here, and instead of this logo we will use an example logo. We can also create a menu here, so let's add a new item, and we'll call this home. Another one, and we will choose the color of black. So this is the style 1 of the header. I prefer to use style 2, which look like this. And that is how our page look like. So that is how you can create a blog post great inside Swipe Pages. Hope the video will help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.